Hi everyone, this is Zeenat. Welcome to my channel Cook Create Explore. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a delicious fish masala fry, perfect for pairing with fish curry rice or even Neer dosa. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the bustling fish market in Mangalore. For this recipe, I'm taking around 750 grams of black pomfret. The first step is to start cleaning the fish. Placing the fish in water to make it easier to remove the scales without a mess. This way, the scales remain in water and don't splatter everywhere in the kitchen. Otherwise, the whole house stinks fish. I'm cutting off and removing the fish head because in my family nobody enjoys the head part in the fried dishes. We'll be using it for maybe a curry recipe later, but it's always good that if you can keep the head, it looks good. After cleaning the fish, make some slits on both sides. This will help in cooking and also the fish will get marinated better. For marinating the fish, add in around a teaspoon of turmeric, some salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything well and rub this marinade on both sides of the fish. Leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes while you prepare the flavorful masala paste. I'll be adding list of all the ingredients I've used and the measurements in the description box. You can refer that and maybe screenshot it. For preparing masala paste, remove the stems of around 20 to 25 Byadgi chilies and soak it in hot water for 10 minutes. Take the soaked chilies in the mixer jar, add in coriander seeds, cumin seeds, around 7 to 8 garlic cloves, and a small piece of ginger. Add in a little bit of tamarind, remove the seeds and add some peppercorns, methi seeds, and ajwain. You also add in some curry leaves and turmeric powder and rock salt. Add in around 4 to 5 chopped shallots, but I didn't have shallots, so I'm using around half an onion. But it's always good to add shallots, it will add up to the flavor. Grind this masala into like a thick paste, adding very little water. Whenever needed, you can add a little bit of water, but let it not be a very runny paste. It should be thick. Take 2 to 3 spoons of the masala paste and add it to the previously marinated fish. Spread it on both sides and leave it like that for 30 minutes. If you can keep it for more time, then that's better. Take a thick bottom pan, add some oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, you can add in the fish. Cook the fish on medium heat and on both the sides. When one side is done, just turn it on the other side. Once you're done frying on both the sides of the fish, just remove it and keep it aside in a plate. In the same oil, add in chopped onions. If you have shallots, that's better, and some curry leaves, and fry till the raw smell of the onion goes. At this point, reduce the flame and add in the masala paste. Keep stirring it continuously to avoid the masala getting stuck on the pan, and cook it till all the raw smell goes and the masala starts leaving oil from the sides of the pan. So once the masala is cooked well, add the fried fish back into the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, letting it soak up all the flavors. And there you have it, fish masala fry is ready to serve. This dish pairs beautifully with fish curry, steamed rice, or even neer dosa. If you try this recipe, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.